this AI tool can create consistent images for our folktale stories. So let's remix it again. Click on the remix. So you can see these images that this AI tool has provided. It's the same thing we have throughout our images. You can tell she's the same person. This is how you can generate consistent images and stunning images for your storytelling videos. So these images you see right here are images that I created with a new AI tool that I just discovered. If you are someone who uses Microsoft Designer a lot to create images for your storytelling videos and also for your Faceless YouTube channel, you might have noticed that Microsoft Designer has reduced the daily 15 credit that you used to get to 15 credit per month. I was doing something on Microsoft Designer this month and I realized that I was left with just 1 credit for the month. I asked myself, what about those who are already into storytelling videos that needs a lot of videos for their YouTube videos? So in today's video, I'm going to introduce you to a new AI tool that I have discovered to generate your AI images for your storytelling videos and also to create consistent images that you are currently seeing on the screen. All these images you are seeing on the screen are images I use the AI to generate. So I said in one of my videos that every good prompt, whether you generate yourself or you ask ChatGPT to generate for you, is supposed to have certain elements in it. The first element is supposed to be the subject, detailed description of the subject, and the second element is the action the subject is playing in that prompt, and the third element is the background of the prompt and also the style of the prompt or the image that you want. So I'm going to use this prompt as an example to explain the element I talked to you about so that we can use that to generate our images and also use it to generate consistent images. Now this is a prompt I have. I've used this prompt on one of my videos before. A 25-year-old able girl with a braided hair and a colorful bee sit under acacia tree cooking something. Now for me to be able to create the images and also create consistent images of this character, you have to divide this prompt into two. The first part is going to be a detailed description of the subject that includes the name, the age, the dress, the hair and cultural background and every detailed thing about that subject. And the second part is going to be the action and the background of that image or that prompt. So you can see this prompt, for example, Salma, 25-year-old girl, Igbo girl with braided hair, colorful beads. She wears a vibrant red choker and every detailed thing about her dressing and appearance is in the first part. And the second part is the action. The main action in this particular prompt is sitting down and the background is acacia tree plus other action she's playing in that image is the cooking plus other supporting element in the prompt. What we are going to do is to start generating our images and I'm going to show you how to create consistent images for your storytelling videos. For this, we are going to use this AI tool that I just discovered. So go to your browser and type Pick Lumen AI. Now click on the first link. Sign up if you do not have an account, but if you already have an account, sign in. Now click on the Generate for Free button. This is where you are going to paste your prompt. So let's go back to our prompt and paste it. So let's go back to our prompt. Now let's copy the first prompt. Right click on it, click on the copy button. Let's go back to Pick Lumen AI. Paste your prompt here. Right click inside and click on the paste button. Before we continue, if you are new to this channel, click on the subscription button and subscribe to this channel. That's the only way you can support me on this channel. And also give this video a like if you found value in this video. Share your thoughts about this video in the comment section. Let's continue. Choose one of the models here. Click on the model and choose one of the models to use. So for this video, we are going to choose a Peak Lumen Realistic version 2. Tap on it. Now set the aspect ratio to 16:9 because these images are going to be for YouTube unless you want to use it for other platform. We are going to use a 16:9 aspect ratio. You choose the number of images you want. So we're going to go with the 2. If you want more than 2, then you have to go for the premium plan. But since we are on the free plan, we're going to use the 2 images. Now click on the generate button to generate your first images. One thing I like about Peak Lumen AI is that it is unlimited. I've not been able to reach any limits since I started using it. You can create as much as you want and it is also very fast. So let's wait for Peak Lumen AI to create the stunning images that we want. Now we have our images ready. We have 2 images to use. You can choose either this one or go with this one. What I'm going to do is to select one of these images to use. So let's go with this one. Now to create consistent images of what we have currently, let's go back to our prompt and change the action of the prompt. Now we're going to maintain our subject with a detailed description and change the action. So what we're going to do is to copy this action Go back to Pick Lumen AI, bring your cursor to the down and click on this dot. Now choose Remix to remix this video. It will give you the option to edit the prompt you use to create this one by changing only the action and the background, maintaining the detailed description of the subject. This is where the action starts from. So you're going to delete the second part of the prompt and delete it. Right click inside and paste the action you copied from your prompt. Paste a new one, then click on the submit button to generate the next image. And let's see, we are going to get the same image again. Great, so you can see the similarities in the images. These are different activities she's performing, but you can tell the similarities between these two images. Now let's remix this image again by clicking on the remix button down here. Let's go back to our prompt, copy the next action, and then with a new background, right click on it and copy. Let's go back to Pick Lumen and then delete the action and the background of this prompt. Let's delete it. Right click inside and paste the current one. Now you can go ahead and submit it and see whether we are going to get the same images again. Great, so you can see from the nose, the eyes and the face that she's the same person running through the images that we have created. Let's try the last prompt once more for us to confidently say that this AI tool can create consistent images for our folktale stories. So let's remix it again. Click on the remix, go back to your prompt and copy the next action. So we have another action here, so let's copy this. Right click and click on the copy. Let's go back to Pick Lumen. We have already clicked on the remix button, so we are going to edit the prompt by deleting the second part of the prompt, that is the action and the background, and right click inside and click on the paste button to paste the next action. Now you can go ahead and submit it and wait for the AI to generate the next batch of images for us. If you have not subscribed to this channel yet, please click on the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel. That's the only way you can support me, and also click on the notification bell so that you don't miss any video on this channel. Like this video if you found value in this video, and share your thought about this video in the comment section. So you can see these images that this AI tool has provided is the same thing we have throughout our images. You can tell she's the same person. This is how you can generate consistent images and stunning images for your storytelling videos. So what do you think about this Pick Lumen AI tool? Is this something that you're going to try anytime soon? Let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section. If you're already using it, share your experience with us in the comment section. If you're yet to use it too, let us know in the comment section. Like this video if you found value in this video, and also share the video with families and friends who need this video. Don't forget to click on the subscription button if you have not subscribed yet. And also, if you have not watched the previous video I created on animal chef videos and how to create kids animated videos, that video will pop up after watching this video. Click on it and go and watch. If you also want to master AI creation, a playlist will pop up after watching this video. Click on it and go and watch all the video in that playlist to master AI animation. Until then, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.